Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hi little friends, it's great to be finally here again with you all. Here we are today having a really exciting topic. As we always do, some exciting and special here in Fun Drawing with Piyali. Today's topic, World Environment Day Poster Drawing. So are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. Fact number 1. World Environment Day is a worldwide campaign started by the UN General Assembly. It is observed on June 5th every year and aims to educate people about the need to protect our planet. Its actual home we all live in, and preserving it for future generations is more crucial than ever. The world has, almost over 3.04 trillion trees in the world. However, 27,000 of them are cut down daily to make toilet papers, etc. This translates to about 9.8 million trees annually. One single recycled edition of the New York Times newspaper would have 75,000 trees. Fact number 2. The Great Basin Bristlecone pine, the scientific name is Pinus longeva, has been deemed the oldest tree in existence, reaching an age of over 5,000 years old. The bristlecone pine's success in living a long life can be attributed to the harsh conditions it lives in. Very cold temperatures associated with high winds, in addition to slow growth rate, create dense wood, meaning same years they grow so slowly. They don't add a ring of growth also. Little friends, fact number 3. Fungi plays a highly vital role in the environment. Fungi plays a protective role actually. From digesting minerals out of rock formation to consuming fossil fuel spills and even deradiating the environment. Papers from trees can be recycled 6 times, Paper comes from trees and can be recycled a maximum number of 6 times, after which its fibers become too weak to hold together. Fact number 4. Glass takes a very, very long time to break down. It can take a glass bottle more than 1 million years to decompose in the environment, possibly even more if it's in a landfill. This means that glass manufactured and used 5,000 years ago may still be present in the environment, because its life cycle is so long and because glass doesn't leach any chemicals. It's better to repurpose and reuse it over and over again before recycling it. And now the last one, fact number 5. There is a giant floating patch of garbage. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is twisting and turning vortex composed of trash and waste. It is twice the size of continental America and contains about 100 million tons of garbage. It stretches from the west coast of North America to Japan along the Pacific Ocean. My cute angels, we hope you really enjoyed today's World Environment Day drawing and these interesting facts. And do not forget to share me how you celebrated this World Environment Day. Do not forget to plant more trees, recycle the things, reuse the things you can, and minimize the wastage to save our blue planet, our Mother Earth. And write in the comment box how you celebrated this thing. So till we meet next week with an exciting drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.